In this video, I will show you how to convert your Illustrator file into EPS. So click on File, then click on Save a Copy. Now here in this drop down, select this EPS. Here you can select Use Artboards, then you can select All or you can select Arrange. Given a name, select the location where you want to save it, then save it. Here you can select the version, format, black and white or 8-bit color, and there are some more options you can change here. Then click on OK. So this way we can convert and save our Illustrator file into EPS format. Thanks for watching.